What a beautiful day out here. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's gonna be a little different video. We're just gonna be playing with my other dog. It's not my other dog, it's my Theo's other dog. If you don't know what Theo is, it's like your uncle. Hold on. I just needed to speak. So my dog always comes around here at the back. Well, not my dog, but my Theo's dog always comes, my uncle or something, comes around here. And it goes around the house. I just don't know where it is. Do y'all see it? Lucy! Where is it? Oh my god. I guess it's not there. But guys, Robert, Mommy, I've been working out, don't worry. I've been like going out and playing with the soccer ball. So yeah. I just don't know where my dog is. Today's gonna be a little different video. Oh, and I gotta talk about something. Lucy! Lucy! Come here! Why, she's fully trained. She got her shots. She's good. Huh? Aren't you, girl? Huh? Comment down below if this dog is cuter or the other dog that I got in Kilo Rex. Go check it out. Like, watch this, watch this. Lucy! Lucy! Sit! Ha! Good girl. Oh, yeah, you like that? You like that? Yeah. You like that? Come on. Got our shots, Robert. Mommy, don't. Come here. Like, watch this. Hey, stop it. Ow! Sit! She's scratching herself. She has no fleece, don't worry. But guys, make sure you go check out the last video that I have made. It's kind of weird, but yeah. I already uploaded 3 videos on my newest thing, so this is going to be my 4th one, guys. Okay, so yeah. Let's get right into this video. Still just keep going where we were. Okay. Alright, where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? So if I don't have my other dog here, then I play with this one. What are you doing, huh? Lucy, she likes going in there. She's a girl, by the way. It's called garage. Whoa. Lucy. This is so weird. This is so creepy. This is something that I don't like to go in. But I always go in because I know Lucy's an overprotected dog. So yeah, I don't know. There's no backstory to this. Only if my mom knows or someone knows. I don't know. Look at it. It's so. Oh, my grandma's about to come. She's about to scream at me. Or not. She keeps going over there. Watch this. Watch this. So she's there. Watch this. Watch this. She's still there, right? I'm gonna knock on the door and she's gonna come watch. Lucy, don't go over there, okay? Don't go over there. Lucy, don't. Really, you gonna sit in my lap? She's a good girl. She's a very good girl. Right, Lucy, you're a good girl. Under the ear. My uncle says she wants to cut her ears off. Look at her ears are flappy. My dog's just cuter. You need a shower, girl, okay? One day I'll take you a shower. Stop smelling me. She even knows. Okay. No, not. Well, guess who entered the car? Julian. Look at Lucy. Look at her down. I'm gonna close it because I don't want Lucy to going in. Like that. What up, Julian? Welcome back to my YouTube channels. Hey! Sit! Hey! My dog is kind of trained over there.
That's not her dog.
No, my dog is fully trained in the other side, in my other house.
This is her grandma's house. I pretty much stay here a lot, but she's sleeped over. So if you have seen a lot of videos of her here, because we do a lot of parties, she sometimes sleeps a lot.
But I don't like staying with the other people, so I don't really go in here because a lot of people, when do parties, people go over here. And we don't know if they have the coronavirus, right? So then I go over here in the front and just like sit right there. And there's a gate. So yeah, I don't like being with other people when we do parties because I don't know if they have the coronavirus or not. They might be exposed. And she keeps doing that. I mean, sorry, Lucy. Why do you keep doing that, huh? Lucy, what's in there, huh? What's in there? Lucy. Girl, what's in there? What's in there? Julian said it was a cat. I don't believe him. Julian! He went inside, didn't he? Oh, what the heck? Hey. Do you know what my channel, what my channel name is? No, it's not Alamari something. Oh, she likes it. What's my channel name? No, it's not Alamari, nothing. Look, you can see myself.
What's her name? What's the
Hi,
channel, guys?
It's La Panterita Champion. You can't spell it. You can't say it?
Panterita Champion. Let's run away from Lucy. Go, 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 go. Let's go.
How about you run away from Lucy and see what she does? No. Like, when she comes back.
Baby, 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 oh. Baby, 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 oh.
Okay, now run. Go. Oh!
Just about to doom you. Dumb. Are you dumb, stupid?
Don't say that. Oh my God, my dog! Oh my God! Ah! Oh.
She's smart. The fuck? She's trying to bite me.
You tired? Huh? What's your? Let's go check if she has food. Let's go. Well, actually, she's cute. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. It's good. Look at that, interesting, satisfying. She's like, we about to go. I got an idea. Can you get my camera? Go to the camera. I got the camera. I'm not doing that again. Stop it. Stop it. Let's see if she listens all the way from here to sit. Watch. Sit! Lucy! Sit! Sit! No. Oh, what the? Lucy!
You deserve a kissy kiss.
Lucy! Lucy! Ew. It's because she's a girl. She smells it. Lucy. No!
Heck, this
No!
plastic. She cannot eat chocolate.
Sit! Lucy!
Oh, yeah, you
Lucy! Lucy! Sit!
Oh, yeah, you dumb,
Make sure you go check out our other videos that we have uploaded. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications.
And slap her in the face. When you click the like button, every like button you click, it's a slap for her.
No.
Yes.
Wait. Oh,
Where'd Lucy go? She went to the secret entrance.
She went there. Wait, let me
Let's
see.
go run. She went over there.
Oh yeah.
There's glass.
Let's go. Come on, guys. She's over here. This entrance goes over here. You hear her? She went back. She went. You go here. I'm going. Go on. Oh! Come on. We got her.
Where is she? Lucy, are you dumb, stupid?
Stop! I guess I live. I'm gonna wash my hands, yo.
Ooh, look, scissors.
What is this? What? Hey, don't mess around with those. Stop. Don't mess around with those. I'll literally put chile in your mouth. Orale. Why don't you get out, Lucy?
Look at the latilín.
Sit! 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 She don't want to sit. Sit! She don't want to sit. Okay, guys, one more minute. Well, actually, 2 more minutes and 1 more minute now. 13. Okay, guys. So, yeah, 1 more minute and we're going to end the video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those post notifications, guys. And, yeah. What?
Let's go inside.
Why?
Stupid.
Okay. Guys, does it look clean in the backyard a little?
Fox knows.
She's still there. She's gone. She's gone. No, no. She go. Go, 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 go. No, she went the other side again. What the heck? She went there again. Lucy,
Glass. She's gotta be careful. There's glass.
is she stuck or what? Oh shoot. Are you okay?
Should
be careful.
Should we go to Lucy's pile?
No. Oh guys, we're gonna
Gravity.
end it here because it's already been a minute. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, guys. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you guys. Thank you for all the appreciations. Thank you for the Kayla Rex channel, all the 10 subscribers. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Peace out, and yeah. Wait, what should the title be?
He's going back. He's going back. The dog went back.
What am I doing? Okay, showing back. Okay, my arm's getting tired of holding this camera. But guys, make sure you subscribe. Last time I have to say, make sure you subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. And we out. Peace.